Hey, good afternoon, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. And today is 31st of August. Today is Tuesday, just one day before the historic no trading day that's going to be happening tomorrow. So, another reminder that if you guys are not aware of the no trading day, please do participate. That's symbolic. We are kind of, voicing our concerns through a non-violent movement and be a part of it. I don't think you'll ever get this opportunity to voice your concern ever again, क्योंकि हमारा retail association कुछ है नहीं, and this is the best that we could possibly do. And don't be a snitch, be a part of it. आज मैंने intraday trades मैंने it's just like yesterday. I just took 25% of my sizing and मैंने 16,800 put and 17,100 call मैंने trade कर रहा था. And the moment we started making a higher high higher low formation, that is when I kind of cut out my position, because it was just, the markets are just unplayable, right? If you see this, 5 minute में 50-60 points का 70 points का movement दे रहा है market. Look at this red candle, these two red candles. So it's too volatile to play the markets. And मैंने एक छोटा 2000 प्रॉफिट्स में मैंने एग्जिट कर लिया, 2200 प्रॉफिट्स में. इट्स जस्ट अ वन क्लिक एंट्री एंड वन क्लिक एग्जिट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. मैंने 916 पे एंट्री लिया एंड 923 पे जब मैंने ये कैंडल मतलब 17,000 को मतलब ब्रीच करते देखा, दैट्स व्हेन आई एग्जिटेड. बिकॉज जब 17,000 ब्रीच हो जाता है, देन प्रोबेबली देयर वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ अनवाइंडिंग ऑफ इवन 17,000 प्लस का कॉल्स एंड कॉल्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई केम आउट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वाजंट इवन प्लानिंग टू ट्रेड, बट मैंने ऐसे मतलब ले लिया, just like we have been doing for the last month. So I'll be showing my August month P&L today, since today is 31st, and we're going to be adding this as well. So let me start by saying that August has been really tough for every non-directional player, and it's been one of those months where it's almost impossible for non-directional players to actually make some money, because the kind of intraday volatility that we were seeing and the kind of super low premium environment that we were in. So August month was super hard month. 30th of July we were at 15,700 levels, and we rallied 1,300 points, more than 1,300 points in a matter of 19 trading sessions. That's it, 19 trading sessions. एक holiday था, and we had 19 or less than 18 or 19 trading sessions में 1,300 points हमने rally किया है in an index. So that's the kind of markets. And it wasn't like proper small gap up and slow and steady up move, something like that. It was all over the place. Like if you see all these big red candles, the corrections were like severe. And intraday में तो 100 points का corrections, they were like pretty common. And वो भी corrections कैसे आ रहे थे, 5-10 minutes के candle में आ रहे थे. And lot of tick jumps, lot of freak trades, and it's just like all over the place. Like the market was all over the place, and it has been tough to say the least. And all that being said, like I'm gonna show how I did. So August has been one of the tough months that I've faced in my non-directional trading journey. पहले मैं कंसोल पे जाऊंगा and I'll first मैं refresh कर देता हूँ, and then I'll change the dates. So first I'll show the July month again, क्योंकि you will get an idea of how a trading curve looks like. July 1st to July 31st. Alright, हाँ. So July में मैंने already वीडियो डाल के रखा था 3.1 lakhs, and after charges it's 2.57 lakhs. Now ये numbers को ध्यान पे रखो. I paid around 53k charges in the month of July, and I made around 3.1 lakhs. Now August पे आएंगे. So August पे we made 1.65 lakhs, and the charges pretty much remain the same. ठीक है, so charges pretty much same ही रहेगा, क्योंकि adjustment हर रोज मतलब उतना ही adjustment होगा in a bad month as well as in a good month. Maybe bad months में थोड़ा adjustment ज्यादा होंगे and charges थोड़ा ज्यादा बन जाएंगे. So the charges is somewhere around 46,000 and 1.65 lakhs for the month, and including this today's 2k, it is 1.67 lakhs. which is slightly over 4%. By any standard, ठीक है, by any standard, 3 to 6% per month is considered really good. ठीक है, there is no doubt about it. There is no two way about it. 3 to 6% is really a good month. And अगर आप अगस्त में, if you even have not made anything and if you are even at a break even, then I would say congratulations, because August has been a really tough month for everyone. Because direction ho, non-directional traders ho, for everyone it has been a tough month. So after charges, it's been 1.18 lakhs, which is close to 3%. तो आफ्टर चार्जेस भी मतलब 3% हमने नेट किए हैं, एंड विच इज नॉट अ बैड थिंग. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट यू गाइस टू सी इज हाउ डू वी एनालाइज दिस मंथली परफॉर्मेंस. द थिंग इज दिस मंथ हैज बीन अ ट्रंकेटेड मंथ, करेक्ट. काफी दिन मैंने आधा क्वांटिटी ट्रेड किया, एंड फर्स्ट 2 दिन में मेरा इंट्राडे कुछ पोजीशंस लिया ही नहीं था यहाँ पे अगस्त स्टार्टिंग में, because I was traveling. And out of 4 expiries, only 2 expiries I did well, and the one expiry was break even and another expiry was just, it was just like 20,000, 25,000, 26,000 kuch to tha. But again, that was offsetted by the loss that I made in my calendar spread. So all that said, only 2 expiries were successful in this month, because the other 2 expiries were pretty, they weren't tough, but they were like not like seller's expiry. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, apart from that, we took 3 big loss days. 3 big loss liye. One is the 22,000, which is 0.5%, and another is 33,000, which is slightly above 0.6, 0.7%, and तीसरा है 53,000, which was almost 1.3%. तो दिस लॉस काइंड ऑफ डेंटेड माई मंथली परफॉर्मेंस. ये 2 लॉसेस जो थे 53,000 एंड 33,000 का, ये दोनों चीज मुझे थोड़ा बहुत मंथ ऑन मंथ, थोड़ा बहुत मेरा मंथली परफॉर्मेंस को काफी डेंट कर लिया. सो 1.65 lakhs for the month, which is 4%. Still a decent outcome for a month like this. And one needs to understand that you will have really good months where you'll make like 12%, 15% also sometimes, and you'll have months where you won't make, you'll be breaking even, or even you'll have month where you'll be taking around 2-3% ka drawdown also. So you should be okay with that. Basically, the performance is measured not for a quarter, not for half year, not for a month, not for a week. Your performance is measured at least on a time frame of at least a year. The markets have been tough. I still haven't figured out how do I transition from complete intraday guy to a part intraday and positional guy, because like I used to do positional in 2020, but then even positional became a bit of a headache with these gaps and whatnot. But I should again come up with some setups, come up with some strategies. I won't call them strategies, I would call them setups. I would come up with some setup, okay, which makes sense to play in these kinds of markets, because आजकल gaps भी है और intraday volatility भी है, so and the premiums भी काफी low है. तो yeah, I'll try to come up with some setups, and of course like जो मैं setup में बना के लेके आता हूँ, of course it will be there for you guys also to follow, and if you want to mimic them you can, but of course with your risk management in place. कल तो वैसे भी no trading day है, and as I'm repeating myself a lot of times, participate in it. And ट्विटर पे मैंने ऑलरेडी एक गाइडलाइन डाल के रखा है, तो प्लीज पोस्ट योर नो पोजीशन स्क्रीनशॉट. ये पोजीशन पेज का जो स्क्रीनशॉट है, एंड यहाँ पे नो पोजीशंस करके आता है आपका फोन में, प्लीज पोस्ट दैट स्क्रीनशॉट. वो स्क्रीनशॉट डालो, एंड आई हैव मेंशन्ड सम हैशटैग्स एंड आई हैव मेंशन्ड सम पीपल टू टैग, मे बी आवर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, आवर पीएमओ एंड द ग्रेट सेबी, एनएससी, इन सबको टैग करो, एंड यूज द हैशटैग सेबी ब्रिंग बैक मार्जिन, नो ट्रेडिंग डे, एंड SEBI against retailers. I think, see, I'm not sure like how big of an impact this might cause, but at least we won't regret that we didn't give it a try. So that's what it's all about. It's about us giving our 100%. That's it. मतलब बाकी जो outcome है, that's up to the fate. But हमारा जो काम है हम करेंगे. मैं कर रहा हूँ, आप भी करो. आपके friends है तो उनको भी बताओ. And please do post it on Twitter because that's how people get to know that something has happened. अगर आप लोग घर पे बैठ के ट्रेड नहीं करेंगे और घर पे बैठ जाएंगे, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है. तो when all these screenshots of no positions, मतलब हर एक का बंदे का पोजीशंस का पेज जो खाली 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 वो जो स्क्रीनशॉट्स बॉम्बार्ड होंगे, तो एटलीस्ट people will be aware of, okay, something's happening and the people are not happy with the decisions that has been made. Let's make it successful. I'll see you guys in my next video.